Good day, future teachers! Welcome to EDO 259 P2 Third Rationalization. Again, I am Monica Apepe, and today we will be having our third rationalization for the second period. The subjects to be rationalized are Gen 003 are the Science, Technology, and Society, and Math 152 are the Mathematics in the Modern World, items number 49 and 50 for both subjects. So let us start with Science, Technology, and Society. Item number 49, and the question is, blank are becoming a cheap and efficient source of labor. The choices are letter A, robotics, letter B, human labor, letter C, computer, and letter D, all of these. The correct answer would be letter A, robotics. For our rationalization, robots are increasingly being used in every industry and are here to stay. And robotics usage has both positive and negative impacts on business and employees. So robotics are defined as any automatically operated machine that replaces human effort, though it may not resemble human beings in appearance or perform functions in a human-like manner. So according to the company of RobotWorks, robots do jobs better suited for machines, allowing humans to apply their knowledge and more deserving tasks because machines need human for manpower while robots don't. So that's basically the reason why robots are considered as cheap and efficient in the source of labor. That's it for number 49. Let's move on with item number 50. And the question is, the following are positive effects of gadgets to children except the choices are letter A, stimulate senses and imagination, letter B, promote listening ability, letter C, prone to violence, and letter D, all of these. So the correct answer of this question would be letter C, prone to violence. For our rationalization, it is known that technology and the use of gadgets can be part of a healthy childhood as long as this privilege isn't abused. For example, children can get help learning the alphabet on phones and tablets and can also play educational apps and games as well as do researches. So one clear negative effect of gadgets to the children is that they can be prone to violence. Because kids who view violent acts on TV are more likely to show aggressive behavior and to fear that the world is scary and that something bad will happen to them. So that's one of the clearest example or negative effect of gadgets towards the children. So they will think that it's fine and okay to act like that, since that's what they are frequently see using the gadget. So that's the negative part of using the gadget, because the children would think that it's fine to do this thing or it's fine to do this violent act because that is what they saw on using the gadgets. So that is why in the televisions or even in using the gadgets, parents are really encouraged to guide their children while they are using the gadgets. So that would be for two items for the Gen 003 subject. So let's move on with the second subject, the Math 152, Mathematics in the Modern World. So the first item, number 49, is that find the mode, which is have a type of animal and the number of families that own it. So we have here the dog, 60, the cat, 35, fish, 17, hamster, 13, and snake, 3. So the question is that the choices are letter A, the mode is hamster, letter B, the mode is fish, Letter C, the mode is cat. And letter D, the mode is dog. So the correct answer for this item would be letter D, the mode is dog. So let us define first what is mode. So the mode is the value that appears more frequently in the data set. So it's the value that is being repeatedly appear, or yes. So a set of data may have one mode, more than one mode, or no mode at all. So for the given item, the given numbers are 60, 35, 17, 13, and 3 with its corresponding animals. Firstly, the numbers should be counted accordingly. So the number 60 is counted as 1, the number 35 is counted as 1, and number 17 is counted as 1, the number 13 is counted as 1 also, and number 3 is counted as 1. So after counting the numbers, the maximum counted or repeated most is 60 as 1 times. So therefore, the correct answer is letter C, which is the mode of the given data is the dog. So the correct answer is letter D. The dog is the mode of this given item. Okay? So moving on with the next item. I'm sorry, it's blocking the PowerPoint. So again, number 50, the following FDT shows the number of daily participants in an online class. So find the mean, median, and mode. So we have here a table which has the class interval and the frequency. So the class interval of 15 to 19 having the frequency of 5. Class interval of 20 to 24 having the frequency of 8. Class interval of 25 to 29 having the frequency of 6. Class interval 30 to 34 with a frequency of 9. And finally, class interval of 35 to 39 with the frequency of 4. So we'll be finding the mean, median, and mode. And the choices for this item is that letter A, mean is 25.84, and the median is 27, and the mode is 32.375. Letter B, having the mean of 26.84, median 27, and mode of 31.275. Oh, I mean that's 375. Sorry for the error. Letter C, having the mean of 27.84, median of 27, and mode of 30.375. Letter D, having the mean of 28.84, a median of 27, and a mode of 29.375. So the correct answer for this item will be letter D, letter B, having the mean of 26.84, the median of 27, and the mode is 31.75. For our rationalization, let us first define the following. So we have here the mean. Mean is defined as the average of all the data in a set. Median is the value in a set which is most close to the middle of a range. And finally, the mode is the value which occurs most frequently in a data set. So from the given problem, the calculated mean is 26.84, while the median is 27, and the mode is 31.375. So how it was gathered? So the mean is equals to 1 over frequency, the mean and the F, or the frequency. So it would be n times 5 plus 22 times 8 plus 27 times 6 plus 32 plus 9 times 9 and 9 plus 37 times 4 equals 1 over 5 plus 8 plus 6 plus 9 plus 4 times 859 equals 8. And the next step is that 859 divided by 32. Finally, coming up with the answer of mean 26.84. And the median is equal to, the median is the number is the 16th. So 8 plus 5 is equal to the 13th. Greater than the 8 plus 5 plus 6 equals the 19th number. So the median is in the 25 to 29, class interval is 27. And again, the mode is 31.375. So that's it for our item number 50 in the mathematics in the modern world. So I guess we were done, and that would be all for today's video. Thank you so much for listening. For my resources, here are my references via Taken Online. And I guess that would be all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you learned something. See you again for our next video of rationalization.